Okay, so what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to do a price prediction for Near Protocol. You guys can currently see we already got one on the chart. Market came through and hit our ultimate TP price today. What next? Today is the ultimate decision of figuring out whether or not the buyers are going to hold this market right now, or will the market in Near continue to dip all the way back down to this next buy pocket. Might be one up here too. So let me go ahead and add that before I get deep into the prediction. Okay, so it might fall down to one of these other two buy pockets here in the market. So welcome everyone to the channel. Before I break that down, make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe for more of my videos and content. This is what we do. Now, let's go ahead and start out looking at the market in Near on the longer term charts, because it gives us an idea of who's really moving the price from that perspective. You guys can currently see this is Near on the weekly chart, and it doesn't look bullish. It looks bearish because of what the current weekly price bar looks, what it looks like. Look at that. That's not good if you're a buyer. You don't want to see this type of price bar being printed on the long-term charts. Now, we still have a day, or I'm sorry, 2 days and 14 hours, but if the market in Near closes down here where it is now, then we have to say the market is still being controlled by these sellers, because the sellers grab control of the price in Near ever since the week of May 12, 2025, and they're still moving the market. So the question is, when will these buyers step in to stop these sellers from moving the market lower? Here is Near on the 5, 1 day, 14 hours, and it looks even a little bit more weak here on the 5-day chart, because this 1 5-day bar is encompassing the last 10 days of trading. The spread of that 5-day bar is, which simply means that those buyers were not successful at moving the price over the last 10 to 15 days. The sellers are still here. And when you look at this on the 5 and you combine it with what happened here on this 5-day bar, meaning we didn't see the follow through of the buyers continuing moving the market up, the sellers grabbed it right there on this 5-day bar, and they've been tanking the price ever since then. So now we really need to be on guard to see if these buyers are going to approach the market just like they did right here. We need to see that bounce occur into the market in Near right now as I record this video. Let's look at the market in Near on the 4. This doesn't look good neither. Here it is on the 4-day chart, 13 hours, 12 minutes, and it pretty much almost look identical to the 5, but just on a smaller time frame. Here it is on the 3. Take a look at Near on the 2. 13 hours and 12 minutes here, and again, what do you guys think? To me, the market doesn't look bullish. So let's go get rid of this price prediction here. You guys see 11.89% off of our last price prediction. We're going to get rid of this buy pocket as well as this sell pocket. We're going to add another sell pocket for Near. Let's get rid of this one, and we're going to create a new one right here. And it looked like we might need to get rid of this sell pocket here into the market in Near. It might be one right here. Okay, so we're seeing the bounce now. So if you look at this on the 1-hour chart, you guys can see where this volume is increasing. All of this high volume right here in Near, you would presume that these are where buyers are trying to accumulate more of this cryptocurrency, because we've seen the market just over the last couple of hours fall from a high of $2.73 to $2.22. 18.42% drop in just a couple of hours. So maybe that might invite more buyers to come into the market in Near and buy, but it doesn't mean that we're over, that this move to the downside is over in Near, meaning we could get a pop. I mean, when you see a price fall 18% in a couple of hours, people might try to come in and grab a quick profit, meaning come buy as it dips and then sell as price tries to increase to the upside on a smaller term time frame. Okay, so we're going to create these sell pockets on the hourly chart just so you guys can see, in the event that buyers do move the market up higher, that these may be points to where the market begins to get weak and price goes lower. Okay. Let's look at this. So currently this is kind of like a wait and see period. I really want to see the conclusion of price and near on the 5, the 4, and the weekly. Now, as of now, I'm not too confident that this cryptocurrency is bullish. But like I said, we need to wait and see if that if those buyers are going to come in and prop up the price. Okay. So I'm just going to put this here on ice. I really want it. Let me see if we were to put on a move to the downside in near. So seeing the market in near bounce right now, this buy pocket, we were to take profit on the low of that buy pocket, it's only 3.64%. To hit the next buy pocket, that would be 12.61 at the high of that buy pocket. At the low of it, it'll give us like 14.25. And then this third buy pocket at the high of it will give us 20.87%. Okay, so I'm going to wait, but I just want to give you guys a visual of what can potentially be in terms of profit if this cryptocurrency continues to go down. I'm not going to do one like I told you because I want to see if these buyers are going to prop up the price now. And if they do, like I said, then we're going to target these 3 sell pockets to see where sellers will begin to move the market back down again. All right, so I'm going to put this on ice and we'll come back and hopefully we'll have that continuation of weakness, or if it's not, we'll put on another prediction looking for the market to trend up higher. Let me know your thoughts though. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.